Hi, pupils. Good morning. Welcome to our phonics sessions for today. We're going to continue our phonics with the ending sound ing. Are you ready? Let's start. What letter is this? I. What is the sound for I? What letter is this? N. The sound for N is N. And the last alphabet, what alphabet is this? G. What is the sound for G? G, G, G. So, G, ing, ing. The sound for ing is ing. So, let's combine. Before combine, let's read again. G, ing. G, ing. What letter is this? K. What is the sound for K? K. K, ing, king. K, ing, king. K, ing, king. K, ing, king. So that is the sound for king. What letter is this? R. What is the sound for R? R, 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 ing, ring. R, ing, ring. R, ing, ring. R, ing, ring. What alphabet is this? S. What is the sound for S? S, ing, sing. S, ing, sing. S, ing, sing. S, ing, sing. What alphabet is this? W. What is the sound for W? W, ing, wing. W, ing, wing. W, ing, wing. W, ing, wing. What is this? K. K, ing, king. K, ing, king. K, ing, king. What is king? This is a king. This is a king. R, ing, ring. R, ing, ring. R, ing, ring. What is ring? This is a ring. A big ring. S, ing, sing. S, ing, sing. S, ing, sing. What is sing? This is singing. The girl singing a song. The girl singing a song. W, ing, wing. W, ing, wing. W, ing, wing. What is wing? The bird has wings. This is the wing. One wing, two wings. The bird has wing. What animals has wing as well? Chicken has wing. Chicken wing. The duck has wing as well. This is the wing for the bird to fly in the sky. These are wings. Who is this? This is a king. How to spell king? K-I-N-G, king. Again, king. K-I-N-G, king. What is this? Ring. R-I-N-G, ring. What is this? Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. The girl is singing. The last one, what is this? These are wings. This is wing. This is wing. W-I-N-G, wing. Let's chant with me. K, in, king. K, in, king. R, in, ring. R, in, ring. S, in, sing. S, in, sing. W, in, wing. W, in, wing. Let's refresh, recall all the words. What is this? King, K-I-N-G, king. What is this? Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. The ring wear on your hand. Ring. What is this? Sing, S-I-N-G, sing, singing song. Wing, W-I-N-G, wing. The bird has wings. Okay. What word is this? King, K-I-N-G, king. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. And the last one, wing, W-I-N-G, wing. Who is this? King, K-I-N-G, king. What is she doing? Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. What is this? Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. What can you see? This is a king. He is singing. On his hand has a ring. So let's read together. The king can sing. He has a big ring. Again, the king can sing. He has a big ring. Let's refresh. Who is this? A king. How to spell king? K-I-N-G, king. What is she doing? Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. What is this? A ring. R-I-N-G, ring. What can you see? The king can sing. He has a big ring. Let's read again for the last time. King, sing, ring. The king can sing. He has a big ring. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a like. That's all. Bye bye.